Hello, hi, welcome to my channel Divya Crochet World. Today we are going to learn how to do a single crochet within a foundation chain. The single crochet is the most basic crochet stitch you need to learn. Initially, you need to make a slip knot and you need to make a basic foundation chain of your choice. Here I made a chain of 11. For doing a single crochet in the foundation chain, you need to insert the hook under the loop of the next stitch. You need to insert the hook under the loop of the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through that stitch. Now you'll be left with 2 loops on your hook. Now yarn over and pull through the remaining of the loops, that is from both the loops, and now you'll be left with only 1 loop on your hook. This forms the first single crochet in the first stitch. Repeat this step like putting the hook in the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through the loop and yarn over and pull through both the loops. Repeat this step to form single crochets in each foundation chain. If your hook gets stuck when you pull through the loops, try making looser loops, checking if you have caught some extra yarn fibers in the hook. Pulling your hook in the direction more parallel to your work to prevent your hook from getting snagged on something, rotating the tip of your hook to face the bottom of your piece as you pull it through the loops. This tip will be helpful for making a single crochet very smoothly. Yarn over and pull through both the loops. Insert into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through the stitch, and yarn over and pull through both the stitches loops. This forms a single crochet. Like this you need to do till the end of the foundation chain stitch. This is the single crochet stitch. It's the most basic crochet stitch you need to learn. Thank you for watching this video and try to learn different stitches tutorial videos in my YouTube channel. Thank you.